Testimony in day 24 of the Lori-Vallow Daybell murder trial centered on text messages to and from Lori Vallow. She's the Eastern Idaho mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee, and her husband's late wife, Tylee Daybell. Shira Matsuzawa walks us through what happened in court today.
In the course of the last several weeks, we've heard from dozens of witnesses about their communication with Lori Vallow. Today, we got to see and hear that communication in the form of text messages. We're talking about texts between Lori and Chad, Lori and her brother Alex Cox, her niece Melanie, and even her former friend Audrey Baratario. You might remember Audrey testified last week that Lori threatened to kill her. On Monday, former Special Agent Douglas Hart finished testifying. The jury saw and heard a text thread shared between Lori and Chad from August 10th of 2019. In it, Lori asked Chad if he thinks there is a perfectly orchestrated plan to take the children, to which Chad responded, "There is a plan being orchestrated for the children." The following month, just 5 days before the last time anyone saw Tylee, Lori's brother Alex told Lori he changed their Wi-Fi password to, quote, "too many kids." She responds, "funny," then later says, "we are trying to get to the bottom of what we need to do to eliminate them completely." We also saw the last known video of JJ while he was alive, which was taken on September 22nd. Agent Hart testified there was a lot of videos and messages about JJ prior to September 22nd, but after that, there were none. The children disappeared in September of 2019. Investigators later found their remains in June of 2020 on Chad's property. Like every day of this trial, JJ's grandparents, Kay and Larry Woodcock, were in court.
I think the evidence is strong, and I look forward to a righteous verdict. And that's all I can do.
The court also got a look at more texts between Lori and Chad, but this time surrounding the time frame when Tammy, Chad's late wife, died. On October 5th of 2019, Chad texted Lori that Tammy had been switched and that she was in limbo and had a level 3 demonic entity named Viola in her body. Tammy died on October 19th of 2019, just 2 weeks later. That same night, Chad texts Lori saying he's hanging in there. And 24 hours later, we see very romantic messages exchanged between Lori and Chad, including one where Lori says, "I feel sick. I don't want to eat. All I want is you." Chad responds, "I'm feeling sad, but it isn't for the reason everyone thinks." 4 days later, Lori texts Chad she had a bad dream about her brother, Alex. She then texts he would be the one they used to get to us both. Chad responds, "I just cleared all of Al's weapons, curses and cords, and filled him with malachite healing balm and put angels around him." Alex died on December 12th of 2019. And court ended today with Agent Hart's testimony, but a lot of information coming out in those text messages today. You can read more about it right now at ktvb.com. At the Ada County Courthouse, Shira Matsuzawa, Idaho's News Channel 7.
And for live updates from Vallow's trial, check out our website over the next several weeks. As long as this trial lasts, for all of our coverage, scan the QR code on your screen or check out our website, ktvb.com, the KTVB app, or KTVB Plus.